We're announcing Bodysex workshop dates for 2024, May 6th through 9th in upstate New York at Menla Spa and Retreat. I will be leading, assisted by Laura. We're going to do all the rituals: genital show and tell, vulva massage, erotic recess, group massage. And what's wonderful is that we have 4 days to completely immerse on the mountain and have dinners together and conversations and bonfires. We had a ball last June. We had 2 groups come up to Menla, 60 women, and it was quite fabulous. The spa is world class, so come and join us. If you sign up early, you get a 10% discount. We hope to see you in the circle, and here are some of the pictures from our last retreat.